Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video review. My name is Eizy from RZ Easy Customizer, and this week we're gonna check out another plastic model kit by Kotobukiya. This is non-scale full action plastic model kit, the hand scale Gourai from Frame Up Skill series, or we can say the Dolphy version for Frame Up Skill. Despite the size is much smaller compared to the normal Frame Up Skill, this is gonna be a very cute model kit to review. So, without further ado, let's get started. Get this kit and more from Uncle Chen Workshop. The links of his Facebook page and Shopee in the description down below. This model kit is about 1/24 scale or 75mm in height, just the same like Kotobukiya Hexagear line. And yes, this Gourai is compatible with all Hexagear's plastic model kit, including the governors. It is for the Hexagear's marketing strategy. Soon, they will release the hand scale Stilet and Innocentia in early next year. Size comparison with Bandai High Grade Gunpla, Aoshima Variable Fighter Girl, Good Smile Company Nendoroid, Kotobukiya Frame Arms Girl Sylphie, Bandai Petit Ritz, Kotobukiya Hoi Hoi San Mini, Kotobukiya Mega Device, and Kotobukiya Frame Arms Girl Gourai Kai version 2. From the box, we get plenty of accessories. You will get a set of open hand, a set of fist, and a set of grabby hand. This is the main weapon, the bazooka, included with this kit. The same like the Frame Up Skill Gourai design, this part can move. And the next weapon is the knife here with a handle. So you can put it like this on the Gourai. There's a pack here. And the next is the water slide decal, a very small version of water slide decal. And also you get a pair of arms here with this kind of articulation, and this part can rotate and this part can move up like so. The extra arms, these parts are for converting the holes on the Gourai, very tiny holes, into a 3mm packs. So you can use any kind of armors from MSG or Hexagear. You can attach it to this pack here. Also included with this kit, a handle for the weapon attachment. And also you get an extra faceplate and these joints for the legs. For the articulation, the head can move up, go down about this far, and can go side to side and make one full rotation like this. The main body part is using a very tiny ball joint, so it can move side to side like this. And then there's no articulation for the skirt. The arm can move up about this far, and rotation here, bend about this much, and also rotation for the hand. Spread, move forward, and then backward about this far, and can bend about this much. And the tank tracks at the back here, it's like the normal Gourai, and also the movement for the fit here and pivot. For the weapon at the back here, it can move like this, and this is using the same design from the version 1 of Gourai. And at the back here also you get this kind of backpack with 3mm hole, and down here too a very tiny one. Articulation for the legs, it can rotate like this, and then this part can be pulled out for extra articulation. Overall, this is a nice plastic model kit. Nothing much new. It is still a frame up skill, but in small scale. The best part of this kit is posing it with the standard frame up skill. They look so cute together. just like a mom with a daughter, or a Gourai with her Gourai Dolphy. The only problem with this kit is you need to be careful with the joints. They are tiny and easily to break. That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.